How come its recording is not automatically on? Okay. I switched on all the recordings, like automated. Okay, like this. Now, vertex, select all the vertices and collapse it. Collapse it. Something, okay, missing. Collapse and all this in between unwanted things. This is also a collapse. This is also a collapse. So like this, basically, I'll handle everything and make the outer surface and inner surface kind of proportionate and like nicely, evenly smooth. That is the main logic behind it. It should be evenly smooth throughout, clean. You see, I can see a lot of unwanted edges are there. Vertices are here, not required. Shortcut of deleting edge. Okay, edge. Select Control Backspace. Control Backspace will delete the edge without any problem. If you want to, suppose I want to delete this thing, Control Backspace, it will delete the vertex and the edge. If you press delete, it will delete the entire section, entire thing, that entire face, like this. This looks otherwise rest is fine. There's a little bit of cleanup, those cleanup and issue this is something you can do. This is extra thing. I haven't showed this. Now I'm telling you, you can make it like a bit smoother. So overall, the poly distribution of the model and overall the smoothness of the model should be even. Okay, now I can see like and Ashwin sent me a couple of files. So here. um, like only one thing, like why there is so many, like center also duplicating so many
Like
times,
center, it's like repeating while I attach them.
but why it's repeating? It's not supposed to
I
repeat.
don't know.
No,
I don't know, sir.
it's not supposed to repeat.
I
uh,
attach them both.
no, you attach, but still you can see there's so many. One, two, three, four, five, six, so many separate.
Sir, he might attached and duplicated thing.
Yeah, that's what attached,
Uh,
duplicated, and one more problem is shape. It's not round, circular in shape. It's this thing. So if I undo it. So what you have to do is the center part. This is you're not supposed to attach. This is the center. This holding this main part is holding all the lamps. It's only one section, one model. Rest all the lamps are repeating and rotating. So this part, what you have to do is, let's see, delete turbo, delete this, and delete edit mesh also. So let me delete all of them, and this is, I don't know why. Okay, so now you have, suppose you have this one, so you have attached this with this one. That is the main problem. So you're not supposed to do that. Okay.
How to unattach, sir?
How to attach?
Like
Yes, go to polygon, select, sorry, element, this one, and this one. Select all three, and this shape is not correct. It's really uneven and distorted.
it was getting like not correct. No.
So
Like the mesh is being broken or something while attaching them. I mean, like joining them, right?
no. This mesh construction is entirely wrong. This mesh construction is entirely wrong. You can see it's like uneven, broken here and there. It's like there's no flow. There's no line flow. It's not moving smoothly. It's, you can see it's randomly going here and there. It's entirely wrong, completely wrong. So it should be perfectly clean. You can see they're like smooth, clean shape. It's a metal smooth, clean shape. Even if you're doing it manually, suppose you're doing it manually, you have to make sure they align nicely. The thickness, the volume, everything, right? Everything should match. This is like, you can see randomly going in like everywhere. So this is not at all correct. This is entirely wrong. This section is entirely wrong. Recreate this thing from a front pose and redo it. And then after that, what you have to do is select this. Now you have attached it, detach it. Keep it separate. Now this is your actual model that you are supposed to rotate. So go to front and check. Make sure your pivot point in the center. I can see pivot point is not at center. So how to fix it? So you have to either, you can go pivot point, effect object, send it to object or undo and move it center. Then go to top view, and this shape is also entirely wrong. See, it's not in center at all. It's supposed to be somewhere here. So one thing I noticed in all your model, all these things are open. So you have to close it. So center, now you select this and that angle, right click, I guess 60° or something. Let's have 40°. Shift 5 times. So, oh, 40 to it will create this thing. So, yeah, like this. So there is one more problem in your model. These surfaces are not round. They are all, you can see, oval in shape. They are not round. Here they are perfectly round. So, how you created this thing? Like how you created this thing?
Like I went to top view and try to add cylinder. Then use the polygon.
But then how come it become oval? If I go to cylinder and the top view, it's top view, it's perfectly round always. How it become oval then? So something must have went wrong. So try to fix it, redo it, because anything, because these are basics, these are extreme basics. Getting this thing make sure you get this thing properly, and you are able to do it like, without any error. Okay, and you can try it some other channel also, that also fine. You can redo this again, that is also fine. Just make sure it looks as it is, exactly like the reference, the shape wise, volume wise, right? Those things you have to check. And one more thing, like that is, I noticed in all your models, this surface is open everywhere. You see, it's like it's round in shape. So even if you are creating this basic structure, what you have to do is edge, select this edge.
The sir, you told that I need to recut something, right? I need to correct something, right?
Correct something, what?
Think the handle thing.
I didn't understand. I'm not able to like understand. Like
No, the handle thing, right? The handle thing.
handle, this handle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, when I try to, so you should try doing my
Try doing
the
what?
connecting line, right? Line.
I created using a line. Yes.
Yeah. By enabling render and all.
Yes.
Yeah. When I try to do that, this size is becoming so small. I don't know why.
No, like by default, it will be small. By default, it will be small. You have to make it bigger. Like suppose I go to line, I'll just create a shape. Okay. Some randomly something I created. and then it'll go to view this thing, render, enable in render and viewport. So you can see by default it's very small, tiny. You have to increase the thickness. Have to increase the thickness. Sides can increase or decrease, right? Or you can create radial or rectangular. Length, width, right? All these things you can like change it and create this thing. So basically you have to modify all these properties, all these parameters you have to modify and create it according to your requirement. Excuse me. So you have to modify those things. Like whatever presets you're using, they will give you that default preview, right? So you have to modify it according to your requirement every time for everything. So like if you use it, you can see even if I use it, the entire line, everything is smooth and clean. Here you can see it's not at all smooth and clean. It's like all random here and there. And it's like even if you do it, okay, I'll show you one.
Yeah, when I followed the tutorials, like it was like there was many corrections and all.
So those things like you to fix it. You have to fix, like suppose you do it if you're planning to do it with a box, that is also can do. Like a box. Polygon. And I'll go to space and delete one of them.
Sir, then it was not in the center, and it was like two forward and two backward. Like everything was not in center. Like the handle thing and the light thing and bulb thing was not in the center and all.
What like this image is not
Like the
centrally aligned. Like it's,
not the image. Like I create the handle thing, right? Handle thing, the light thing and all. It was not perfectly aligned in the center.
But, yes, that's what I
some
said.
like there.
That's what I showed initially. Your pivot point is wrong. That's what I'm saying. Your file is entirely messed. It's completely wrong. You have to redo it. That's what I'm saying. If I'll show, reopen it, I'll show you. Reason what is happening here. Nothing is in center, right? Nothing in center. First of all, they're like all multiple tons of this thing you created. Everything now, and this is your model, right? So if you want to align this thing and rotate this thing, it won't rotate properly. Go to top view, then press Z, and this is top view, Z. You can see pivot point is off center. How it will snap? Your pivot is all wrong. Getting my point? From top view also wrong, from front view also wrong. It's not in center. If it's not in center, it will give you wrong output. Pivot should be in wrong center. Reason how it will how you do all this turbo smooth, all these things are not required. Just simply delete this. So now you have this one, right? So how to fix this? So I'll just collapse everything. There's too many unwanted this thing. Then you can just simply collapse this thing. Collapsed it, right? You collapse it. If you collapse it, what will happen? This vertex will go to the center automatically because it's a center average of all the vertices, right? But now this is your perfect center of this model. So now go to edit hierarchy, edit pivot point, front view, and you can see this, right? You can see clearly it's off center. This is your center line. It's off center. This is entirely wrong. So now you want to fix it. So go and switch on your vertex snapping, and snap this to this bottom vertex that I just collapsed. Zoom in and snap it. snapped. Go to top view and check again. Perfectly centrally snapped. Now it's correct. Now if you rotate it, it will give you correct result. Until now, unless you do this, it won't, no matter what you do, it will be wrong only. You can see from top view, this thing, how it looks, this entirely messed up,
Yeah, like,
right? So you have to redo this entire
that's why
thing.
I told you.
So now you can see if I rotate, if I rotate and duplicate this, it's duplicating my center, this rod also, and plus this lamp also. That means I have to delete this, and from this section, select this. Now I have to detach this surface. And you can see pivot is still at the center. Okay, by angle I switched off accidentally. Okay, anyway, 5-6 times. Now I'll rotate, so it will automatically, you can see all of them are equal distance, and this is only one surface, and it's snapping perfectly to that surface. Like this, you have to create. So basically, you have to redo this entire thing. It's entirely wrong. Then bottle. So bottle also, it's fine. It's fine, but so last day also I mentioned this thing. Whenever you're saving a file, make sure it's in perspective, not in orthographic. Press P, zoom out. If you're having difficulty, click on this home button and then zoom out. Then save your file. It should, whenever you open, it should look clean and nice. It looks so odd and distorted in orthographic view. So always keep it like this. And now you have created this thing. There is nothing wrong in it. It's perfectly fine. But if I go back to lathe and front view, so I can see you have created this line. I don't know why you have created this line.
No, I didn't feel so. Maybe came a big error.
Nothing happens.
I just like created the half lane. I mean half the border.
So okay, but nothing happened automatically, right? It's a program. It cannot do things by itself. So something happened, something created, or like accidentally created. So make sure this line is not required. Then you apply lathe. So you applied lathe, you created, this is correct. There is nothing wrong. But only problem is, if we go here, you can see this model is still, it's not in center. F3. This black line is your center. So always look for those things, like it should be centralized nicely. And if you centralize this thing nicely, you can see the segments you can reduce, increase, that is a separate thing. After creating, if you remember, I have added a shell to add thickness to it. Add a shell. So before adding shell, what you have to do is apply edit poly. Edit poly, vertex mode. Select this ring and collapse it. So there is a hole. So there cannot be a hole. So make sure remove it and add shell. SH and
Collapse, right?
yeah. Shell. It will add thickness to your model.
Okay, sir.
Right. So if you add, you can see without thickness, with thickness. So it's right now it's effectively outer area. Right click on this, go back to 0, increase the inner thickness. The bottle should be thick from the inside. So now it's a solid geometry and it's a thick.
Sir, can we bevel that also?
Yes, we can bevel that. Yes, of course. I apply one more edit poly and then make sure. First correct the basic shapes. All those things we can do later. First correct the basic shapes and structure. Well, the basic shapes wise everything is wrong, so make sure correct it. This is also, I can see, again orthographic perspective, not in center, off center, you can see. And it's a pawn from chess, right? There's again a hole, and usually if it's a pawn, the base surface should be straight, right? I don't know, like maybe you took a reference where it's rounded, and here also I can see that straight line is there. That means you have created this. Here also that straight line is there. So you just have to create this surface. This inside line is not required.
I don't know what happened. Like I
Maybe
created a,
some issue happened. Maybe oh, no problem with that. Okay. Why?
the reference is on the side, sir.
Okay, reference is
I've
like this.
hidden the
So make sure close all this thing, because if it's like this, I don't know how it's going to stand. Like as far as I know, this thing, like pawns are usually like this, straight, late, like this, right? And now after applying this, edit poly, I can modify my models according to my requirement, shift, extrude, and collapse,
collapse,
right?
right?
Right? It's all clean shape. And here on top also you can see there is a hole. So make sure close all the holes and keep it clean. So like redo these things. Make sure and like whenever creating a file, make sure it's on world origin 000. Like this is your file. So get rid of this thing. XYZ. Top view, you can see it's all not at all in center. The pivot point is also not in center. So
Sir, how can we make sure that we are in the world origin, sir? Like 000. Like I want to make my object right in the center.
yeah, center. So here you can see this. Okay, front view F. You can see this black cross. You can see this black line,
Yes,
right?
sir.
This cross.
Yes,
This side,
yes.
this crossing point is your world origin 000. In perspective, if I remove this thing, this cross, this is your world origin 000. So your model should be there. Right now it's on it's somewhere here, so it should be there. This grid you have to follow. Top view, I can see it's off center. Move it, and I can snap this. It's already in center. So if I want to fix this thing perfectly, I have to make it perfect. It's an object center, but you can see object center also not correct. That means model, there is some issue. So what I have to do is I have to fix this thing. Pivot point and switch on my snap. I can switch grid snap this time. First I'll switch on this thing vertex. Snap this to vertex. You can see switch on this and snap perfectly, right? Done. Now pivot is at zero, perfectly snapped. Now our world origin is here. Right click, grid point, and snap this to grid. See, perfectly snapped. Front view, see, correct. Top view correct. Left view, every angle it's correct. See, center. So like this, you can make sure everything is center and fix everything. Now, one more part. Okay.
Sir, I have one dot also.
Just tell me.
Can I share my screen, sir?
Just give me a second. Yes, I enable sharing. Yes, now you can share.
Hello, excuse
Yes.
me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So have you received my max files?
Yes, I received. I opened it also. I was about
Okay,
to
okay.
check that. So now he's sharing something. So after that, I'll discuss that.
Okay, okay. So I have one doubt. Actually, so last week I uploaded it in Moodle, but
Okay.
now when I was trying to upload, it's not showing week 2. Like I could not upload it.
Okay. Oh no,
Some-
I no, no. I haven't created that folder yet. Today only I create. I haven't created yet.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Sir, when I come here, right,
Hmm.
and I do this, one second. Like there is like attach or something, right? Like connect.
Yeah. So for connect, you have to select something, right? Yeah. Connect.
Yeah, I selected this. Okay,
Okay.
1 second. When I try to connect, like it's showing like this. I don't know why it's showing like this.
It will show like this. Cancel it. So what are you trying to create? Tell me first.
Like I want to make 3 vertices, like
3 vertices where?
on the vertical lines, like three on the vertical.
So this. Then why you selecting everything?
Like I just try to select this only, this much.
No, like whatever you're selecting, it will connect everything. Wherever you want to create, suppose you have, okay, let me see if there's annotation is there. Annotated, yes. So like, so if you connect this line, and this, and plus all these triangles. So if you were selecting everything and then connecting, so it's creating this zigzag design, right? So it will,
Yeah.
it will happen because you're selecting everything. So what you have to do is you have to, where is my annotation? Clear. So what you have to do is right now. So suppose what you're trying to create, like this section, you want a 1-1 cut here, right? This is what you're asking.
No, like when I enable this one, then first of all, when I saw it was in horizontal version, like there was 3 horizontals, and I applied the current one, and I tried to do this. Well,